Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll walk you through a simple but important tutorial, how to choose your contact preferences in the SHEIN app using your Android mobile. Whether you prefer email, SMS, or WhatsApp notifications, this guide will help you set it up so you stay informed your way. First, open the SHEIN app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Now, select Contact Preferences from the menu. You'll see three available options: SMS, email, and WhatsApp. Choose the option you prefer for receiving updates from SHEIN. After choosing your preferred method, tap Send to receive a verification code. Open the message or app where you received the code, then copy the code. Go back to the SHEIN app, paste the code, and tap Confirm to finalize your selection. That's it. You've now successfully updated your contact preferences on SHEIN. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tech tips designed just for you.